What's the meaning of calico cat? Calico cat. Calico cat.
Calico cat. Calico cat. A calico cat is a domestic cat with a distinctive tricolor coat of white, orange, and black. The word calico can also be used to describe a type of fabric that has a similar pattern to the cat's coat. These cats are almost always female, as the gene responsible for the tricoloration is linked to the X chromosome. Calico cats are known for their independent and sometimes sassy personalities, but they can also be affectionate and playful with their owners. They make popular pets for many families and are often seen in popular culture, including in books, movies, and TV shows.